Hello students, today we shall study about resources. Okay, there are many resources in our world, and each resources we need in our life, students. But many of the resources we don't come to know about these. Okay, so we mainly come to know today through this chapter, students. Here, let's see about resources. Okay, so which we use in our daily life. Okay, these are our daily use, and it is resources like clothes we use in our daily life. Okay, and utensils we use in kitchen mainly. Okay, and the other side, food grain is also in our a part of life. Without food grain we will not be able to alive. That is also our resources. And here discussing Mona and Raju about these things with her, okay, with their mother. Okay, and mother is telling about daily resources, daily use or daily resources. Okay, you understand here about these things, students. You also face with these, okay, in daily life, but we almost ignore about these daily resources. Okay, student, but we know, okay, which else are the our daily use or our resources. But the other side, some of the resources are valued. Okay, like water, electricity, rickshaw, and the other side vegetable and textbook. These are our resources in daily use, and it is valued. Okay, sometimes, students, how shall we know about these? They are our precious and valued. So we understand here, water where we drink when we feel thirsty, students, and electricity we need when we are in the darkness, okay, to lighten. And the rickshaw, okay, rickshaw we sometimes somewhere we are going to do something, and for distance we need rickshaw. And vegetables, okay, vegetables, okay, we use. Without vegetable the food grain will not be able to eat. Okay, sometimes we manage, but all the times it is not possible, students. But textbook is more important in our daily use. Okay, for the students especially, this is okay, textbook. You see here, textbook. Without textbook we will not be able to read, write or understand. Okay, all the areas today we see in the office, government office, or normally in any area according to their occupation, according to their business. Okay, they are using textbook. Okay, textbook or paper and the pen copies, etc. Okay, students, so these are resources. I hope you will be understanding. Okay, students, the other side, types of resources we shall know today. Okay, there are three types of resources. First, natural resources. Second, human-made resources. Third, human resources. Students, natural resources we understand. Each topics little in brief we shall go through. Okay, students, you see here natural resources under this point. Okay, we get from the natural things like mango, fruit or wood to burn in our kitchen to when we cook. Okay, when in winter season we need temperature warm, that time we burn wood. okay. That wood also we get from the natural, okay. And the other side, some of the natural resources are not countable, okay. Forever, that is eternal life, like that, okay. So let's see here, water. Water we don't need to modify more, but we use that directly, okay. And these are here under this water: rivers, lakes and ponds, seas, okay. So you mainly we get in these areas. These are water bodies, students. And here we see the other side, okay. Under this point, okay, on the basis of basis resources are classified different group depending upon their level of development, use, origin, stroke and else, okay. So you know here, okay, students. Under this point only this much you know, okay. Natural resources we understand this much, okay, students. And under this point there are 2 points, that is actual resources and potential resources. Let's know here also in brief, okay. Actual resources, under this point, okay, we know under the natural some of the minerals which are in underground, okay. We need some of the permission from the government, then only we will able to receive or achieve that things, like coal mine, okay. Coal we get mainly in Germany areas. And the other side we see petroleum. Today many vehicles are running in the world and various types of vehicles, students. But according to vehicles they are required, okay. Some of the vehicles we put for running diesel, okay. We drive bike, then we need to put petrol, okay. Petrol we mainly get in the West Asia, students. And the other side, the dark soil of the Deccan Plateau in Maharashtra, okay. So these are all resources, students, you understand here. Coal, when we receive from the nature, okay, without permission we are not allowed to receive this one, otherwise government will punish you or me also when we are taking that. And here petroleum also, we see many petrol pumps are running here, okay, for us only, for our resources only, okay. That is resources, students, you know, okay. Without petrol, diesel, vehicles will not be able to run, okay. Like human, okay, living things in human being, okay, and plants are also. And you see here, we also, without water, without food grain, okay, our body will not work, okay. It is not possible to work. So you understand here also. And the other side, potential resources, okay. Under this potential resources we see, okay, one time we use like coal, we will never get again. After many years it will reduce, then we get that. But once it finished, we will not get that one in present, okay. And we use these things in future, that is also, okay, students. In future we can get that one. And here petrol also same thing, okay, like coal. So these are once finished we will not use in recent. And the other side, in potential resources, we see uranium also. Okay, students, we don't get everywhere. Some of the areas only we may get these things. Okay, students, biotic and abiotic. Okay, biotic, let's know, under this point we are also come. Okay, and only not we are, but also all kinds of living beings. Okay, means living beings are there, like plants, animals, human being. Okay, under human being we are. Okay, here this much. And the other side, abiotic. Under this point, non-living things are there, like copy, rocks, mountains. Okay, these are, students, this much. And we don't come to much this about. Okay, but you in short understand. Okay, here there are next 2 points, that is renewable and non-renewable. Students, renewable means once we use anything again we can get that one, that is renewable. Okay, like water. Okay, like water we use and it can finish, but we get that water, or that is. And the other side, exactly, if I say, then solar system and the wind energy. Okay, these are renewable things. And the other side, non-renewable, once we use never will get again. Okay, like coal, petroleum. Okay, when we use, and that petrol and coal, it will finish once and we will never renew that. Okay, so these are here. So under this point I hope you are understanding, students. Our next point is human made resources. Students, under this point today we shall know which things are done by the people else. Okay, so let's know here. Many things are there in the world. Okay, so all things are made by human. Okay, today we are using many things like clothes, bikes, many buildings, roads. These are human made resources. Okay, students, so you understand there are many things, okay, in the market or at our home also, which we use in our daily life. Okay, in there are daily use. So every moment we use, all things are human made. Under this, understand. Okay, so our next point is human resources. Students, this point is very valued and very precious, very important for us to understand. Let's know here that human resources. Students, today we see there are many archaeologists, okay, scientists, and the other side architectural, and the other side we see industries, plants, okay, factories, and above the sky we see sometimes aeroplane. Okay, aeroplane. On the sea we see mini ship, okay, running one corner to the other corner. So these are how it is possible to create. When people have many desires or skill or knowledge, okay, and technology, these ideas possible to create. Students, you understand here. Okay, these are the human resources. Okay, so sometimes we move one place to another place, okay, based on vehicles. These are human resources, okay. And the other side we see education and the hospital, okay. These are also human resources, but here is mentioned that they required license, okay. Electricity or many areas, they depend uh, into the license. Without license or without permit letter cannot be possible to use these, okay. So you follow these chapters about resources, student. It is not very difficult to understand, it is easy to understand, okay. So you may understand, okay. You must understand here. So in this chapter I hope you may understand well. So I think you are very welcome to understand in this chapter, okay. Thank you for watching this video for all, and we shall meet on next